soil back on by the scraper, we'll revegetate it, and then we're reclaiming the land. The dragline also has to be able to walk because it does have to move all the way down the whole length of the shelf, which is that flat area that's on the top of the wall behind us. So the way it does that is it's got a foot on either side of the tub, and the dragline moves technically backwards, but what it does is the feet go down and the tub slides forward a bit, then the feet will come up and move forward and back down, and then the tub will slide forward a bit again, and that's how it moves. However, due to its size and its weight, it's only able to move about 8 feet per step, so it does move very slowly. Big Lou weighs about 13 million pounds, just to give you kind of an idea. But if you guys take a look on the left-hand side again, this is the front-end loader actually loading the hauler truck.